Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about x plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 because this is about the square root. This one we have number 1. So when we combine this one and this one, we have 1 plus 1 over 2. So this one that is about 3 over 2. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x plus 1. Later that we have x, so I will put number 1 go to the left and we have u minus 1 equals to x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And now we can simplify like this. So this one we change for u. S we change for u minus 1. Ds we change for du. So this one divided by this one, number 1 divided by this one. So we have like this. So 1 minus 3 over 2, we have negative 1 over 2. And now we have the formula. So I will put negative 1 over 2 going here. And now we have the final answer. This one we have positive 1 over 2 over 1 over 2. The next one we have negative 1 over 2 because negative 3 over 2 plus 1 we have negative 1 over 2. And I will put about C. About u, that is about x plus 1. That is the end. Thank you for watching.